Okay, so I'm slightly late with the Kill It Kit with Style layout and share because it was just, June's just been one of those months, right? Like things just, ugh. All right, so I have my layout share and then I'm going to show you what I've left of my kit. So I still have a lot left of my kit. My kit was big, which probably has something to do with it. But also because, you know what, it was just one of those months. And so instead of trying to like give excuses, honestly, life, adulting, all those kind of fun things. So I didn't get a ton done, but I did get some done. And you know what? Maybe I didn't kill my kit completely, but I never would have pulled it out and used it if I hadn't pulled it out for this video. If it hadn't been sitting on my desk, if I hadn't been looking at it, if I hadn't been thinking in my head, okay, what can I do with my kit, I never would have gotten the 4 layouts done. I would have grabbed other products and these would have continued sitting in my stash. So I'm going to be totally happy with what I created. I did a traveler's notebook spread, and this one there is a video for, so I have that. Super cute, love it. You're probably going to see a lot of traveler's notebook videos coming up because I really want to get this March traveler's notebook done and do a flip through. I really want to try to catch up a little bit, so I'm hoping in the next 2 weeks I can really make this like a project focus and done. The next layout I have a video for this one as well. I used these fun stamps from Ink Road. I used a ton of these acrylic pieces that I had put in my stash. So I'm super duper happy about that. I'm really happy that I got to use these on a layout, and I used one of my acrylic titles, and I really love how this turned out. It was really fun to make, and I'm really happy with it. There is a video for this one where I used a bunch of these letter stickers, and I just filled like a whole area with them. I think I ended up using 183 or 193 stickers. I did at one point go ahead and count all these, but you'd have to watch the video to get the total because I don't remember. So yeah, we have that one. Nice 12 by 12. Lots of scraps used. Lots of these puffy stickers used. Lots of the letter stickers used. This one was for, this one there is not a video for, and I followed a sketch from Page Maps for the month of June, and most of the things on this are from my kit, but I had some brand new kind of cute color cast puppy dog stuff, and so I did mix that in just to add that woodsy look. But I used lots of enamel dots on this page. I didn't use any acrylic, but I got some of this paper from Close to My Heart used up and a journaling strip, and it's just a really nice layout. I like it. So those are the 4 that I did, and as you can see, I still have lots of stuff in my stash. I don't have a lot of this paper left though. Remember this paper? I had so much of it. I went from having like 9 sheets to having like 3, so that's really good. I did use some of my acrylic. I did use my stamps. I stamped on a bunch of layouts. So the elements that I was wanting to use from my kit, the things that I was like, you know what, I'm really kind of hoarding this stuff, I'm going to go ahead and count that as a positive because I did actually end up using some things. So as I go through my kit, what I am going to do is I'm going to pull a couple of these things out and transfer them onto next month's kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some of these things. So the bitty sparklers and these little adhesive sequins, I'm going to pull those out. I'm going to use this. I'm going to grab this acrylic, these enamel dots. I know what my kit's going to be for next month, so I know what will kind of work with it and what won't. And so I'm just going to transfer some of those products over to this side, over to here, and keep using them up. And I think that that's a really nice trick for kits. You can see I still have some of these stickers. Another thing I will say about this, about having these stickers here on my desk, I will say that I used them for more than just my kit layouts because they were right here. And so I grabbed them and I used them on a couple of other projects as I was working through for the month. You'll find them like they were on some design team projects. They were on a lot of different things. I ended up using them. So I'm going to set those to side. I'm just pulling out the stuff that's kind of like neutral in color. Things I know that I can probably go ahead and use with next month's kit. I'm going to pull those over there. You can see I still have a lot of scraps, a lot of things, and that's okay, because if I hadn't done this, if I hadn't pulled these products out and made them kind of like something that I definitely wanted to use this month, I wouldn't have used any of it. And I'm pretty happy with what I got accomplished. I'm pretty happy with some of the things I was able to use up. And there's still a lot here, but that's okay. And I still love it, and I still have more summer pictures and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and set my old kit aside from last month. And I'm going to pull. So I'm going to keep some of these neutral elements. And I will be right back with my new kit.